This is it. This can actually be it. There is greenness on the market, and if you have been following the channel, I've been telling you since for the past 2 weeks, all of these daily updates, that we have to have a balance and give you exactly the levels and why and how and what, and this can actually be the beginning of the reversal. Now, a couple of things. One, I said that if we can't catch a decent balance here, I am going to be a little bit disappointed because the structure is just so perfect. I'm just saying the next days are crucial. Second, 5 weeks consecutive downtrend in Bitcoin has happened 3 times in history. One, 2011 bear market, twice in 2018. Both of these instances, each of those instances made Bitcoin bounce 100% over the next 5 months. So this could be a perfect day to start. In the past month, every single Friday, so the past 4 Fridays have yielded over 3.5% in profits on Friday Bitcoin. So this is a perfect time to kickstart. And what else we could ask for our dear president than to actually just say, you know, we just push this run thing out for 10 days. So this is a perfect time to push it. Remember, you're always just one green candle away from ultimate happiness. Cause actually made this point here, so I'm super happy that we had tweeted it out. It is time to go. Let's get going. Couple of things. One, if you don't know who I am, my name is 𝗏𝗏. I bring these updates 5 to 10 minutes. I don't waste your time. Been here since 2016. I'm trading every single day. And the reason why this is called the 100x Club is because 4% a month profit a month accumulated in 10 years is 100%, 100x your net wealth. So this is what we're doing here. Subscribe to the channel if you like it. Join in the Telegram, link in the description, completely free. Let's get going. Couple of things. One, I have told you I'm taking these trades. So I have taken this trade on Bitfunded. There's a full video on this, by the way, that you might want to watch. We're going to put it up in the thing if you haven't seen it. I've got a lot of heat for doing this video because people were like, oh, it's so crazy. Well, I'm up $1,000 and you're not. So, I mean, we will see how that turns out. Hopefully, the market actually can carry through, and that is the actual question. Can this actually be the reversal? And I'm gonna boil it down for you. Couple of things. Number one, very important. I even had a post about it on X a couple of days ago, and then I said the most important indicator that I'm looking at is the weekly on the total market cap. Why? Because the weekly chart, like look at this. This was the last weekly demand. We touched it, and then the total market cap added $2 trillion. Same scenario playing out here, and there is no weekly close above for 2 consecutive weeks. And I just hope that we're not going to have it this week either. Therefore, 3 weeks defended the low on the total market cap, which is 2.31 trillion. If that happens, guys, this is in for a bounce, at least a 15-20% bounce into the daily equilibrium, which on the total market cap is up about $2.67 trillion. Bitcoin between 75 and 90,000. I'm going to talk about it in a second, but this is what I'm actually looking for, and this is what I showed you here, and this is the long, so to say, on the total market cap that I think we have to see. We're coming down on the demand zone on the 15-minute chart. Again, the way I designed this shows that you have to come back every day. If you don't have 5 minutes, please leave the industry because you don't deserve to be here. But if you do have 5 minutes a day, 10 minutes a day, come and watch these updates. So 15-minute market structure shift, you do have a push there, then you have a 50% retrace. From there, have a 1 hour higher high. After that 1 hour higher high, coming down to demand, and then showing a market structure shift right now. Very important. One level that I'm actually looking at today that we need to see is, first of all, this looks very decent. Like from this hourly shift, there is a higher high here, but this is not, oh, it is a close! Cuz, have you seen this? No. On the total market cap, this is an hourly market structure shift. Holy oh my God. Because on Bitcoin, there is no close below here. Look at this. This is why I'm looking at the total market cap. I was looking at the Bitcoin chart in bed today, and I was like, oh, we still need to close above there. There is no close below here. But on the total market cap, it's a beautiful market structure shift on the hourly. Bro, I'm telling you, this is the time too long. I mean, the time was, 2 days ago. But I'm telling you, this is the time. I do believe this is a beautiful market structure shift on the hour. Let's see if it's on the 4 hour as well. Because I'm gonna it's on the 4 hour as well! Look at this. There is no close below there. There is no close below there. But there's 3 consecutive candles, a liquidation week, right into this OB, and then a higher high. I'm telling you, the market is going to skyrocket, okay? I'm telling you, no financial advice. This is what I'm doing. You do whatever you want. And this is what I said. So I did this, and I have to refer this video again. In this one, I told you exactly why I'm actually taking a Bitfunded account. My stop loss would be $1,000. So I'd rather just take a $150,000 account. I get a $100,000 account for free, and then I can just pass the challenge. Instead of making $1,500, if the market actually starts rallying, I'm actually gonna get a $150,000 account. Now, in reality, I bought 3 accounts, and I'm running this on 3 accounts. So watch the video if you want to. There is this promo running on Bitfunded as well. You can still participate in it. It's a no-brainer. If you believe what I believe, which is the market is going to go up. So that said, what am I actually looking at on Bitcoin? I do believe that we have to retrace also on the daily chart. I think I'm even going to buy spot today. I'm going to buy spot today a little bit. 70,000. Maybe a little bit. Maybe the problem is ultimately I think we're going lower, to be honest with you. But I do think that this needs to go and have a little bit of push here to the 75. Above the 75. So Cos was like, what do you think we headed? I was like, between 75 and 90, and he was laughing at me. But bro, in the daily chart, this is nothing else but the daily equilibrium. This is the daily premium zone up here. Anywhere here can be a great way to actually get out and short the market. Now for me, again, going back to Bitfunded, my TP is $78,000 because I'm gonna pass all the accounts that I'm running if Bitcoin gets to $78,000. And is there a chance? Fuck yeah. There is a massive possibility. Guys, don't forget that these things happen. Look at this. This is November 2024. Look at this here. After this meltdown. Look at exactly how this played out. After this meltdown. Look at this. Comes down, and after this, in April, the market went up. In 45 days, went up 50%. So I would not be surprised to see. I don't think that we have a daily close above here at 90,000. I don't think we go above 90,000. Can I see 85,000? Yes. Definitely. Now, also, this is the moment when a lot of people get destroyed. So I just have to put a disclaimer in here. No one knows where the market is headed. If you start taking 100x leverage positions, you are going to get completely destroyed. Risk management is key. Don't go apeshit all in. Yes, the conditions are beautiful. Yes, we've been preparing for this for the past 5, 6, 7 days. If you have been watching the shows, which I hope you did, and if you haven't, well, shame on you, and just turn the bell notifications on. But if you have, and you've been in the Telegram or whatever, you've been preparing for this, the risk-reward play here is absolutely incredible. But please, Trump can burp. And this thing, burp, how do you say that, burp? Burp. Anyway, so the market can literally just pull back in no time because, Trump can fart, So like whatever can happen. Very important that you do not take these like, oh my God, I'm going to ape shit and Fefe said we're going up and then we're going up and then all that, you lose everything. So please play it clearly. But also, it is primed. I'm going to drop some charts that I think is worth taking, but anything really that you believe will have a push here with a stop loss down there, I mean, it's absolutely incredible. The stop loss down here at these lows, 10% on Solana. Solana would be 76 stop loss. Doge would be down here at 88.6 stop loss. Tron down here at like, I would not take Tron, it looks horrible. Cardano is going to cease to exist as far as I understand what Charles is saying. Link down here at like 811. Link, as I look at this chart, like Link is primed for a 30% pump. I'm going to drop some of these charts down in the look at hype. Look at that V-shaped recovery in hype. Honestly, you know what I'm gonna do? I told you that you can get these challenges that you get one challenge and you get one lower. So I bought this 150k and I have 100k. So I'm actually going to take this hype trade now. I'm going to take this hype trade, and my stop loss is going to be the account on the stop. So here, I'm going to post the chart. I'm not going to do it here in the update. I don't want to waste your time. But on hype, if I look at this, hype is an incredible trade as well. I'm going to put my other account on this trade. Look at this. My stop loss is this, so I have to make 1 to 2 risk reward. Bro, hype is definitely going to $32. Like it's not even an if, in my opinion. So anyway, and guess what? Did this come down 50? Oh, damn son! Beautiful. Anyway, I'm gonna drop these charts in the Telegram. There's a link in the description. It's completely free. Join in if you want this. It is still on for another few days. So you can check this. I actually think it's like 30 days. Did they say 30 days? Anyway, you can check this. Should be available. If you have already an account using my link, then you can get this and just simply buy one, or just open a new account and you can buy on the new account. There's a link in the description. Guys, appreciate every single one of you. Super bullish. Lock the F in. Your one single green candle away from ultimate happiness. Let's go. Check this video out. This is the Bitfunded, how I took the Bitfunded trade and why it is going to be the biggest trade in February for me. And I'll see you. Tomorrow is weekend, so I don't see you tomorrow. But I'll see you maybe tomorrow. We'll see how the market reacts. blah, blah. See you.